Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to do a bit more of a vlog style video now. There's me. Beautiful me. Look at that scenery. Why do I live in Benidorm? Why the hell not? And guys, look at this. You like? How about that for a bit of scenery? Hey guys, whoa. One for the ladies. I'm not too sure what is going on today along here. There was talk of some sort of a circus down on the Levante front, but I don't really know. I haven't been able to find out any info. People partying, woo! Woo! That's why we love Benidorm, guys, because everybody is your friends. Doesn't matter who. You don't have to know them. Just say hello and straight away you've made a friend, guys. Would you want to be anywhere else? I don't think so. I don't. I don't know whether you can see that. I think that guy's going to land on them apartments. It's a bit mental, that. I think they're wheeling him in. I hope they're wheeling him in anyway. As he's going to be sat on top of the apartments. So guys, we're going along. Beautiful sun. Got the bongo guy up there somewhere. It's generally entertaining people. So, you're a party animal. Maybe just like the sun. Like scenery, maybe you like just lying on the beach. I don't know, guys. Whatever you're into, Benidorm has it. Whatever's your thing, Benidorm's got it. We have a bit of a... It's not really an all adults, they say adult design now, because you can't actually now say adult only. You know, all this correction, you can't do this and you can't say that. So I really wish I could see how long I've done. Only 4 minutes. Oh my word. Does anybody else want to come and talk on here? Island de Benidorm. Beach. Somebody else off out on that power glider thing, whatever you call them. Okay guys, I think I'm going to probably end this one here and then just do a silent one for the next one. Thanks for watching.